Hey guys, it's Jody and Kelli with JK Cruising, and today we're going to talk about the Regal Princess. Hi, I'm Jody.
And I'm Kelli.
And we're JK Cruising. Okay guys, here we come up to D204. This is the 9th deck. And it recognizes me. I don't have to do anything. Door is unlocked. And here we are. Okay, so coming into the master deluxe stateroom, we obviously have a balcony out there. I'm going to turn around and give you this shot. Okay, we got a small couch. Looks like it folds out into a small bed for one more person. Pretty comfy.
It's pretty comfy.
And we got a little small table here. Have
Perfect
breakfast,
for breakfast
or something. And then we've got over here, we've got some glasses and stuff that we can use.
Mini fridge.
Got a mini fridge. Put drinks in there. Storage drawer with a hair dryer. Got a desk here with a little phone on it. And on the desk we've got all of our shore excursions. Welcome to Princess on behalf of the captain and crew. And then all of our daily embarkation stuff for the next day anyways. And it looks like from plug perspective we've got 110, American 110. We've got UK or European 220 there, and then one more 110 over there. So not a lot of power, but there is some. And then you got the ability, looks like, to turn lights off from over here within the cabin. So that's nice. Ability to turn all those things off right there. It's got a TV. Come in, you have to select your language. Taking a minute to set its language, looks like. And then you can watch your guess all you can do is hit let's go. So we can start the safety video, and we'll let that run and listen to it in the background.
Welcome aboard. We can't wait to share the world safely with you.
Got some small drawers on that side.
Our highest responsibility and top priorities are compliance, environmental protection, and the health, safety, and well-being of our guests, crew, shoreside employees, and the people and communities our ships visit. Connecting the world comes with great responsibility. That said,
turn her hair down a little bit.
Safety video to provide you with peace of mind. So let's begin.
You got a full-length mirror
Every guest to watch this video and then check in at their assigned muster station.
all the way to the bottom. Over here you've got a couple of robes. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, about 14 hangers. Oh, there's more hangers down there, so Kelli's gonna be happy. There's lots of hangers. And then your life vests, and there's plenty of storage room up there. And then of course you got these shelves. Safe. And open that back up. Move your arm. So plenty of shelves there. Plenty of places for your bags and stuff to go. We haven't received our luggage yet. All right, it's a bit of an older ship, so we're gonna look at the bathroom here. I heard it was kind of small, so let's see how bad it really is from a smallest perspective. Okay, here's the bathroom with a wide lens. Step in. Looks like you've got a razor on 110 over here. GFI protected outlet. It's got a clothesline up there that you can extend out. A fiberglass kind of shower there. You have a little lip for you to either sit on or put your legs on if you need to shave. It looks like they give you some shampoo, conditioner, and some shower gel. So it is a bit dated in here, not some of the newer design and decor, but certainly adequate for a few days. Plenty of shelving over here. Plenty of light in there. Looks like they give you some hand soap and some lotion as well. So a couple of towels, a couple of smaller towels, hand towels. There you go.
Talk about a closet on a cruise ship. I am loving this. Plenty of hanging space. This little thing I bought on Amazon for $15 gave me drawers and places for my shorts. A ton of shoe storage. And then Jody has all his clothes on these shelves. But the one thing I can say about Princess, you get a great closet, which makes your bathroom kind of tight. It was a nice size, adequate room.
It was definitely a decent sized room, especially the balcony and the deluxe ocean.
All right, till next time.
Until next time, remember, you only have one life to live, so go cruising.